open. What's that?
No, it's not that easy to open, dude.
For me.
I'm not sure. Kyle, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Poppy.
Get it.
What is it?
You.
For me, but I don't play soccer. It is for you? What do you think it is?
A soccer bag.
A soccer bag?
I don't see big.
Show me the picture.
Hey, mommy. Puppy. Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy, got puppy.
Okay, stop jumping, Kyle.
Mom, I'm the rock star.
This is your rock star?
Yeah,
Let me see.
Mommy.
Like right there? And where? In your arm? Let me see your arm.
Mommy,
Huh?
it's not big.
Go fishing? Show me. Uh-oh. A net? Is that what it is? And a ball too? What did you say?
Awesome.
Awesome.
I didn't know this one. What's this for?
I don't know. Oh, good job, Kyle. Now they're stuck. Okay, what do you say? Who do you say thank you to?
Thank you, Mailman.
Mailman?
Yeah. Mailman.
The mailman brought it?
Yeah, for me.
But who bought it for you?
I don't know.
Poppy and Bill.
Yeah, Puppy and Bill.
Yeah. Say thank you, Poppy and Bill.
Thank you, Puppy and Bill.
You like it? Say, Cuckoo. Say, I can't believe it. No.
No, can't believe it.
I can't see your face. Say it again.
I can't believe it.
Okay. All right. Say thank you. Then we can say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kyle, say bye.